Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to find your comment on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch it to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do that, we need to go to the YouTube app on any device. Then once we're there, in the bottom right corner, click on your profile. Then at the top, we're going to find Settings. And then we'll click on Manage All History. Next, we have a Google account open. Now we need to click on the Interactions tab when it loads, and then click on Comments and Replies. As you can see, here are your comments that you've written. Let's say today at 1 o'clock in the afternoon I wrote a comment like this: "Yes, please." Also today at 7 o'clock in the morning I wrote this comment, "Ok." That was October 26th, and so on. Here I was replying to people's comments. You can see the comments exactly the same way. If you want to delete it, you click Delete. That's how easy you can do it. If you help them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. You can like it. Thanks for watching. See you later. Goodbye.